Hello, I'm excited to have the opportunity to take a look at Weetla wireless magnetic car charger. And here it is, designed for Apple's Magsafe iPhones and cases. That's including the iPhone 12 and newer. Next, we have the mount, which is adjustable and fits most car vents. Finally, we have the USB charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. Now let's talk about installation, which couldn't be any easier. Just open the clamp and press it up onto the air vent. As far as you can, use this bottom bracket to stabilize the charger. Next, connect the power cable. The green flashing light indicates that the charger is ready. Now that the charger is ready, let's talk about how to use. Just place your phone onto the charger in the vertical or horizontal orientation. The blue indicator tells you that the phone is charging. Also, the magnet is very strong, resistant to vibration, so you don't have to worry about your phone falling off the charger while driving. I hope you enjoyed this video and found the information useful. If you did, please like and subscribe and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if I missed something, you know what to do. But if your feeling is a little bit more complicated than that, or you have a suggestion, please leave a comment. Also, I stream several times a week on Twitch. The schedule is in the video description. Also, you can follow me on the social medias at tekminute. Best to believe, I am a social guy.